everyone, and welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of a&atwins and another DIY episode. Yes, so today's video is about another DIY, and I am going to DIY my old phone cover, which I bought a few months ago, and it was transparent, but now it became yellow with time, and it looks ugly. So why not change it into something new and different, and I'll be sharing the whole process like before. Stay tuned till end to see the final results. Let's see what people need to make this DIY. First things first we need is a kit or a pouch in which there are pencils, erasers, compass, scales and whatnot. So second thing is mixing tray. Here I'm using my acrylic mixing tray. So the next thing we need is fabric colors. These are Fabric-Cast fabric colors. You can use whatever company suits you, but I'm having fabric colors too. And so next is more fabric colors. Actually I use a lot of fabric colors, so that's why I'm having a big collection of them. So these are neons and metallics plus just basic colors. So it's the oldest mixing tray which I used a lot, and now I store brushes in them. So these are from large to small size round brushes and 2 outliners which are golden in color. So the last thing we need for this DIY is a container and water. So let's just proceed to the next step. So this is the back cover which I'm using for this DIY, and I told you this was transparent and now it became yellow and it does not look good at all. So we are going to just change it a bit or more. So let's see what we get in the results. Let's start with the drawing part. Here I'm using white pen, black pen and pencil and eraser. Messy, but yes, I'm using these 3 things to just draw the whole design. So here I'm using the pointed brush, the 0 number. So container and some water. And of course the mixing tray. Let's just start with the color process. This is the most complex part, so see just carefully. So I'm using black, white and red fabric colors. Now for the background, we just use a sponge and black color. So as we have finished with the black sponge, so we'll just proceed to the next step, that is writing code with a toothpick and white color. So let's see the final results. So these are the final results, and I think it looks good. I took inspiration from Netflix, actually a show, Vampire Diaries. If you haven't seen it, it's worth your time. Actually, it has 8 seasons, but as I said, worth your time. So it's amazing, and I was so obsessed with vampires, like really obsessed with vampires, and I want to make something on my t-shirt, but ended up doing it on my phone cover. So it was worth giving a try, I think, but I kinda find it supernaturally beautiful. And I used its famous quotes by Damon Salvatore. I don't do good, it's not good in me. It was my favorite character from this series, and I just draw my signatures, teeny signatures, and just to make sure it's not a copied design. Actually, it was created by me. So yes, just give your reviews in the comment section, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on Instagram. And thank you for watching.